Okay, so today we're going to talk about a lawnmower. This here is a Craftsman model M130 159cc 3-in-1, meaning it bags or it'll mulch or you can side discharge. I found this mower in Canada. It's been cleaned up. I wish I'd taken a picture of it when I first found it, but this thing was made in 2020, I believe. Let's see. Yep, February of 2020. On one of my numerous trips in Canada, I saw this thing sitting in the backyard in the corner, kind of unloved, unused, had sawdust all over it because it was right near a recent construction site, and it was looking pretty sad. I talked to the owner, and they said it was just dead. It wouldn't start. They've tried numerous times, numerous people have tried to start it, and it just wasn't doing anything. So they just kind of set it aside. They replaced it. They got a new mower, similar mower, but so this one was just sitting there. And I asked them, I said, well, do you mind if I see if I can do something with it? It's better than throwing the thing away. They said, sure, give it a try. So I tried. First thing I did was I checked the oil. Oil was quite low. It was just barely touching the dipstick, so I filled that back up. But that in itself, that wouldn't keep it from starting. So I said, it's got to be something else. Then I checked the gas, and the gas was nasty. The gas was all yellow, smelled awful. So I drained it all out. Then I removed the carburetor, took that all apart, and that was what the problem was. The inside of that carburetor was just all corroded and rusted. What happens is ethanol gas goes and separates over a period of time, and you get little pockets of water inside there, and that's what causes all the damage. So I cleaned that carburetor up. The emulsion tube in there wouldn't even come out. It was all corroded in. It took me about an hour to get the little emulsion tube out. I cleaned out all the little holes in it, put everything all back together, cleaned it up as you can see here, took the pressure washer to it, got rid of all the sawdust. So it looks pretty, and the only money I put into this thing was this right here. I had to buy a little thing for the starter handle. Cost me $1.50. So it looks good, but is that going to keep it from going to the recycle center, or is it going to live to mow another day? I don't know. So let's see. We'll give it a try. So I guess maybe I've saved it a one-way trip to the recycle center, and it'll live to mow another day. Thanks for watching.